Hey everyone, it's Matt here. Welcome back to another episode of Savant's Tech Talk. Do you have reservations about artificial intelligence? If so, then you've probably seen some artificial intelligence-based movies and have some fears. Will it replace your job someday? What about future robot assassins? It has been here for over a decade, but we can still consider it new territory because nobody really knows where it's headed. With the current crypto wave, you've probably heard of blockchain too. Both artificial intelligence and blockchain have grown into cutting-edge technologies that are powering innovations in almost every industry. So, what are they? Artificial intelligence refers to the capability of a computer to accomplish tasks that would normally be performed by intelligent beings. With AI, intelligence is programmed into a computer for it to perform advanced tasks. Whereas on the flip side, blockchain is a digital decentralized network that captures and stores data in chronological order on an immutable ledger system. Now, blockchain does have its fair share of weaknesses, for example, scalability. And while AI can improve on its explainability, privacy, and trustworthiness, typically the two technologies are used separately. But the ultimate potential of these novel technological innovations can be further appreciated when merged. So what can we expect from unifying the two? Well, that's exactly what we're going to look at in today's video. As always, if you find this topic interesting, you can let us know by hitting that like button and subscribing to this channel for more videos. You can also let us know by leaving a comment in the comment section down below. Now let's jump into it. A higher level of security. $50 million was stolen on the DAO platform after mistakes were exploited on the smart contract. As much as blockchain technology prides itself as one of the most secure technologies, it can't predict attacks like this. But by combining it with intelligent machine learning algorithms, it can detect and predict similar attacks and activate the appropriate defense mechanism. Blockchain is known for anonymous transaction between parties, and this makes it lucrative for illegal trades. Artificial intelligence can be used to identify and track illegal activities. The coordination of untrusted devices. Untrusted devices where artificial intelligence might be running, such as cell phones and IoT devices, can coordinate on a blockchain-based platform. This will ensure more transparency and more secure transactions between untrusted devices. Explainable artificial intelligence. Now, there has been some friction in the use of artificial intelligence in sensitive industries like health and finance. And this is because sometimes machine learning techniques like deep learning yield unexplainable results. Now, this could translate to the loss of life in the health industry or an economic crisis in finance. By integrating blockchain technology, we can carefully track data flow to better understand complex AI-based systems behaviors. Secure data sharing. The massive information collected by AI systems can be shared securely on the blockchain. Blockchain could prevent misuse and leaks of private information. In fact, with the help of smart contracts, you could sell your personal information privately and securely. And last but not least, scalability. To improve blockchain scalability, an AI algorithm can be generated to increase the block creation rate whenever there's a spike in transaction numbers. This could make it more robust and powerful. So there we have it. These are just a few of the top ways that blockchain and artificial intelligence can be combined to benefit each other. From a higher level of security, coordination of untrusted devices, explainable AI, secure data sharing, and scalability. It is undeniable that this convergence will drive the development of diverse business models and yield explosive results. As always, if you enjoyed this video or found it interesting, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to this channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.